Good morning and happy Saturday. I'm real excited because I am unboxing the Didi's Deluxe Bead box for February, the 2025 edition. And the theme this month is Amy's Faves. And so I'm just going to jump right in because I only got a few minutes before I have to take off and come back. So first, we're going to start with the Amy's Faves inspired by Czech designer strand, which is really pretty. I don't know if you can see all of that, but it's got some really cute Czech beads on here. The dragonfly, super cute. I can see purchasing several more of these strands because this is absolutely adorable. If these strands are even available to purchase. The next one is going to be our 6mm aqua blue imperial jasper, which is adorable. Oh my God. Can you imagine matching that with like a tan suit with a light blue top or a white top, and then having these beads maybe with, you don't really need much with it, but like to make it as like a cute little choker around the neck. Oh my God. And then you can take these beads and also make a really pretty bracelet. I could see that. Next is going to be our matte red aventurine. Super nice. I love matte beads, especially when you pair them with the really shiny beads. They have such a classy look. Yeah, we have our red orange carnelian. Look at that. So the carnelian next to the matte. Look how pretty that is. That's really pretty. This is a great combination. Look. Amazing. Yeah, that might look nice even with that suit I was mentioning earlier. I could see all of those together. Then we have our, what was that? What did I say that was? A red orange, and then we have our river tone Heishi beads. So here's our river tone Heishi beads. Those are nice. Nice and neutral colored. Nice for a spacer. Very pretty. Then we have our natural faceted wooden jasper rondelle. And the thing is, I don't know if we can see this. I should have taken them off the strand, but they're shiny and have a natural tone to them. Very nice and elegant and neutral. Then we have our 6x4 two-tone opaque aqua crystal rondelles. These are classic, which you can add to any design. Goes really nice with this color palette. Then we have Amy's Fave. These are 4x2mm. Amy's Fave crystal rondelle mix. Super shiny. I love the bling. You know, I am generally a minimalist, but then sometimes I want a little bling, and these are really nice for that blingy. And then we have our sky blue crystal rice beads. These are 6x4mm. Ooh, lovely. Golly, look how gorgeous those are. I could definitely see ordering more of those because those are absolutely gorgeous. You have to see those up close to see how pretty they are. Then we have the flat, we have we get four of these 15mm flat burnt ochre Czech teardrops. Yeah, very cute, a very cute drop. in a pair of earrings. You can drop it on a necklace. You can even add it as a dangle to a chain. Very cute. Then we have some 6mm. It says 10 pieces of these. Oh, these are the daisy beads. Sorry, I'm looking at the wrong one. So these are the 6mm antique bronze daisy beads. There's 10 of these. I didn't count, but I'm sure there's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. And then we have our antique bronze dragonfly charms. Adorable. To go with those charms, oh my gosh, I can see the ideas flowing. To go with those charms, we have, dragonfly. Oh, amazing. Golly. Dragonfly taco. Now, can you see yourself ordering several of those? And the last thing as part of the box is the antique bronze oval bead chain. And look at that bead on there. It's not just like a round bead, but it's kind of, I don't know what that shape is. But I can definitely see making this in a layered necklace and just showcasing the chain, you know, along with whatever the design is. You know, you just have the chain just kind of, I don't know. You know, it has a layered look. It's really cute. And then, although that is it for the bundle, they did give us this bonus. This bonus is a red aventurine pendant, and it's amazing. Look at it. It's very, well, mine has a little bit of a, like, I don't know, dent or something in it. But it's an amazing pendant. It was a bonus, and it's side drilled. So I can definitely see that as being a really classy focal. You know, just imagine, you know, some really cute shoes that have this color. And then having even that top that I had mentioned earlier, it can be like a cream top. It could be a top that's, you know, that would showcase this with your tan suit. And you can have like a, like a creamy suit. It's not soup. Yeah, wear a suit to work. A suit. And then have this as the focal, with your necklace draped. It's so gorgeous. Oh my God. I wish I had the suit that I could try on and put it all together, but this is a really, really good box. And if there's still more available later on, if she finds she has more, I would definitely encourage you to go and pick it up. When I make something with it, I'll definitely share that with you all. And thank you. Have a wonderful Saturday, and look forward to talking to you soon.